In this video, we're going to be learning about mutually exclusive events. Here are the basics. The sum of all probabilities is 1. In this example, I have a question where a bag contains only red and yellow counters. I know that the sum of the probability of getting a red and the probability of getting a yellow has to equal 1. The reason for this, if I'm only selecting one counter out of the bag and the probability of getting a red is 0.3, what's left must then be the probability of getting a yellow, because I can only get a red or a yellow. The two cannot happen at the same time. And this is what's known as a mutually exclusive event. So if I know that the probability of getting a red is 0.3, that means that the probability of getting a yellow must be 1 take away 0.3, which leaves me 0.7. The probability of getting a yellow is therefore 0.7.